Okay, to pair the remote with the motor, use a pin to press the pinhole, hold it for maybe 3 to 5 seconds, the light will be on, and the remote, you just have to press the up button, the very first button here on the right hand side, press it 3 times. Okay, it's paired. And it's open and close. Now for a new track, you want to let the track run 3 to 4 times, back and forth completely. What happens is they are counting the limit and memorizing the distance. And then after 4 times, 3 or 4 times, and they will stop very precisely before hitting each other, and also at the end. Now, for a multi-channel remote, on the very last button, you can select channel. With one light is channel 1. You press one more, channel 2. Both lights are on, channel 3. Now the motor is able to learn many channels. You can have multiple remote control, and you can have one remote with more than one channel to be synchronized with the motor. Now for example, now it's not working, right? Now we can do the same thing. Press the pinhole, hold it for 5 seconds. The light's on. Now you select the channel, let's say channel 1 now. You press 3 times and synchronize. Okay. Now if we go to, let's check one more time, it works, we stop it. Now if we go to channel 2, that's channel 2, and it's not working now. So we synchronize it by pressing it for 5 seconds and hold the lights on, and then you press it 3 times and it's synchronized, and it works. Now again, you can keep programming it. Let's say channel 3, you can do the same thing. If you have a 6-channel remote, you can do the same thing. You can use many remote controls on the same systems.